guys, in this video I'd like to show you how to make a level selection screen. So this is my level selection screen. So I'll just show you how it works right now. So first I'll go to my start scene. So when I click on level 1, and you can see as it level 2 and level 3 are disabled right now. So if I cross level 1, only then the level 2 will start, and then when I cross level 2, level 3 will be unlocked. So I'll just show you how it works. So I click on level 1, and this is a little small bit of cheating I did here. I made a script such that the paddle follows the ball position. So this is not me playing, this is the script doing the work. So I just click on it and then the paddle follows the ball. So I maybe skip this part. So as you can see, when the first level got over, when we won the first level, this is the second level of my game. So I'm just playing it and try again. So oh shit. Oh, so I forgot to remove the delete. Oh, so this is the mistake. So I had deleted all the keys which I stored in my play keys, so I'll just comment it out. So I'll just put this mistake so that when you are doing it, if you're not able to go to the second level, so this is the reason. So what this line basically does is it deletes all the keys which are stored in the player preferences. So let's go and try it again. So we go to level 1 and my autoplay. This is level 1 playing right now. Sorry about that guys, but I think if I keep that mistake, if you probably end up doing it, you will realize it a bit sooner. So I'm just gonna keep that clip. I know the video will get a little bit longer, but I think it's fine. So just a few minutes. Come on. So okay, as you guys, this is the second level, and when I press the click button, it starts. When I lose and I press on try again and start. So now you can see the level 2 is also unlocked after level 1. So you might be thinking, what if I play level 1? Will the script still work? So let's try playing level 1 again and check if the level 3 is unlocked. It shouldn't, but let's try and see. So this is level 1 playing. So I have programmed it in such a way, the script is working behind the scene is in such a way, if the current scene build index is greater than the previous scene index, only then the level will unlock. So I'll just show you the script and all, but I just wanted to show you the thinking process. So now this is the second level, and as you can see, blah blah blah. You can see, oh, I see the only level 1 and level 2 are unlocked, not the level 3. So when you play level 3 and when you're done with level 2, finishing the level 3, you've broken all the bricks, the level 3 will also be unlocked. So let's go to the script and how it works. So this is the level selection screen. So this is my buttons, or my 3 buttons, and this is more coming soon, whatever. So as you can see, the level 1, this is my button, and my button has a script called load what is it called, load level, and which points to the level 01, which means to the level 01 here, and similarly in level 2, level 3. So if you want me to make a tutorial on that too, I don't think so it's needed. I think if you want to just comment it below, I'll just do it. And what is going behind the main thing right here is this game object. This is an empty game object which you can create here. Create empty, and then you can name it whatever you want. So this game object has a script behind it, so I'm just going to show you the script. So edit script. So this has a class called button, and in order to use the class button, you have to use this namespace using unityengine.ui. So don't forget to use this using this namespace. So don't forget to use this namespace unityengine.ui. Okay, cool. So you got to make a reference to that using the buttons variable. So we have defined it as an array. So next what we'll do is run the function called disable all. So this function, what it does is makes all the button uninteractable, so it's not interactable. So when you click on it will not go to the level 1 scene. So let's check out that function. So what I'm gonna do is for int I, which means int is equal to 0, from the index 0 to the length of the button. So we have here, as you can see, I'll just show it to you. We have array button, and we have made reference to it using the variable buttons. So in the script, as you can see, I have attached the script level unlock. So I have named it level unlock to the game object. So when you attach it, and this is our button, this is our buttons. So I have predefined the array size as 3, and what you got to do, this is very important, at element 0, element 1 and element 2, you got to drag and drop all your buttons. So this is a cool trick. You can lock your screen here, this icon. So I'm going to lock my inspector view over here, and then from the load level, and then you can drag and drop your buttons over here. So I have already done. So you got to drag and drop it here. So drop it in a proper order, like your level 1, level 2, level 3. So level 1 here, level 2 here, level 3 here. So next step, after you do the first step, initial step, I'll go back to my script. So once you have dragged and dropped all your buttons, then what you got to do is disable all of them. So we got to disable with this function. So what this will do is it will run through all your button which you have here. Index 0 we have snow point and all, and it will make it false, so you can't interact with the button. And then what I'm doing is I'm making an int variable cleared level, and I'm getting in player prefabs get int level cleared count. So what this line does, player prefabs dot get int, it gets the value from level cleared count. So whatever the value is stored in level cleared count, it's like a variable, but it acts like a variable just like cleared level. So whatever is stored in level cleared count, is substituted here. So like if it's level cleared 1, so level cleared will go 1 here. So right now I had made it +1, so and then +1, because if the integer is equal to 0, if the starting initial point is 0, like means index 0 +1, so it will run only up to the index 0 and then I++, then it will iterate again. So this will what it will do is make our first level unlockable, because we want at least the player to play the first level and then go to the second level. So this is what the script is doing, and also it's taking level cleared count value and giving it to the cleared level. So how this level cleared count is getting the value? So I have another script for that, which is here load level. So it's right here. So how my level gets over is when I don't have when I don't have any bricks in my scene. That is if if brick.brick count is less than equal to 0, then I run this function called load-level. So when my brick count is less than equal to 0, what I do is I get the previous build index. I made a variable called previous build index, which takes the previous index of the scene, the current build index, the current running index of this level, or anything you want. So this is the current level and this is the previous index level. So what you got to do is compare both of them. So if current build index is greater than the previous build index, then we do all this. What we do is we set the level cleared to the scene manager active scene dot build index. So level cleared is what you level cleared here. So whatever the scene active is, like for example level 1, if level 1 is active right now, it will get stored in level cleared. So if level 1 has a build index, I'll just show it to you. File, build setting. So if level 1 has build index of 2, so that will get stored in the level cleared. So for example, if right now we are in level 1, this level cleared, the key level cleared will have value 1 inside it, and you can check it by printing the get int value if you want to, like here I have done it here and here. And then once you're done with the getting the previous level index, you get the current index, just typing scene manager.active scene. And in order to use scene manager, don't forget to use the namespace unity indent.scene management. So once you're done with doing that, remember we used level cleared count here. Where is that script? We used level cleared count here. So what is happening is basically when you go to the next level, the level cleared count increases to +1. So as you can see here, load level. Yeah, so here as you can see this line, the previous level count +1. So if you want level 0, it will become +1, and level cleared count key will become 1. So what happens now is this will run up to the second button. So once it has done that, even the second button will get interactable. Like once you are done with the level 1, even the level 2 will get interactable. Or if it's not, then of course it will be false, like here. So this is what's happening with the level cleared count variable. And make sure you have this line when you, if player has a, this is just to check and keep the constant clear when the game starts, to keep the level clear count as 0. And so when this happens, this is, I'm just printing it just to make sure everything is right. So once it has done that, I'm loading the next scene using scene manager.load scene, scene manager.get active scene plus building. So next to the next scene, I'm going from the previous scene to the next scene once my my brick count is 0. And again I'm making the brick count 0. You don't need to know that. So, and also make sure you have in your start function this line of code, just to make sure everything is right. So if player prefers has key, means if what this code actually does, it checks if it has the key level cleared. If it does, so you do nothing else. If it doesn't have the key level cleared, you go say make it to 0. So I'll just go through it once again. Whatever is to what the player prefab.setIn, the setIn method does, this is the key. The key is just like a variable. So what is happening right here right now is you make the level cleared key to 0. So it's like dictionary. If you know about dictionary, it's gonna be clear for you. So I hope I've tried my best to make you understand. So if you don't get it, I'll re-upload the video making it simpler. So, and if you want the script, please comment it below, and thank you so much.